in the man. These demons, they rush to Jesus. They bow to Jesus. And they declare Jesus as the Son of the Most High. You have missed it. Mark chapter 4. After they questioned, the disciples were filled with doubt. This question is answered by demons. The demons say, this is the Son of the Most High. The disciples were so close to Jesus. Did not know Jesus. Did not know Jesus. But the demons were so far away from Jesus. Understood Jesus. Be careful of being so close to a Jesus who saves, but not saved by Jesus you are close to. Sometimes our proximity to Him reveals how far we are away from Him. So